NIBUT over here is what we call a non-invasive breakup time, and it's a way of analyzing the stability of the tears. You can see that we have to place on the Placido ring cone and then place that in front of the patient and click or double click on the NIBUT to acquire the image. To acquire the non-invasive tear breakup time, we'll click on the right eye. We will focus in and out, both with the joystick, but also with the focusing mechanism on the IDRA device itself. That allows us to get very close to the cornea, and the closer we are, the greater the area of the Placido ring that is actually covered. Having focused here, we focus, ensure the Placido ring is in focus, but also at some point look at the tear meniscus height, the little tear prism at the bottom, and focus on that. That's going to be useful for us later on. So here we can see, we ask the patient to blink twice and then stare. The video is being taken and analyzed. Keep staring, trying not to blink for around about 10 or more seconds. The non-invasive tear breakup time of greater than 10 seconds is a healthy lipid layer. Having saved the information, we go to the little comp device, the processing device. The computer analysis will then analyze the breakup of the Placido rings to determine really the amount of time for which the tears are stable. It will then give us a grading scale here in terms of numbers. You can see at around about 10, we're going into the green, normal. And in this case, we might look at the very first time the tears are breaking up, around about 5 seconds. Again, this is demonstrated on the graph here, where we're getting a partial breakup of the tears around about 5 seconds, and more complete breakup as time progresses around 10 seconds. Also useful is this device, this little graph here that illustrates the areas and the zones of the cornea that are broken up first. So you can analyze that over the period of time. Having done that, we save